This cast iron tub is a dual rim 66 inch. When you get your tub, you want to find a nice place where you can flip it over and use a blanket when you flip it over to lay it on the floor. When you get your feet, you will open the box, and while the tub is upside down, you will notice that it has letters stamped in it. A, B, C, and D. And when you open the feet, you will also notice that it's marked on the back side A and C. This other particular foot over here has a D and a B. So I generally lay the feet down according to the letters on the back of the tub, which makes it easier for you to figure out. And what I do, I put the bolts in the foot mount, and I take a piece of bubble wrap, and when you install your cast iron feet, it has a slot for easy adjustment. You gently set it on, and you get a quick test fit. You put your flat washer, and you put your lock washer, and you put your nut, and you turn it down so you have a little bit of pressure, enough to hold it, but you can still have adjustment left and right, forward and back, to get the best fit possible. Now these cast iron tubs are hand smooth, so adjusting the feet to the contour, you do the best you can. It may not be 100% perfect, but they are really fit really well. And when you get your nut cheesed up and tightened down, you make sure you have enough adjustment, and I generally feel, and it feels really good right there. Take a 3/8 inch ratchet with 11/16 deep well socket, and you gently crank it down while you're still testing your fit. And when you get it where you want, you snug it down, and then you proceed to the next letter, which would be D, C, B, C, or D. And when you go around the tub, just repeat the process. And when you get totally finished, you go around and you tighten them really tight. That way when you flip it, everything will stay in place.